दिल्ली इलाही को मुबारक हो, खुदा ने महारानी की गोद आबाद की।
The most sweet thing in the world is the language of communication.
तुम अकबर की मायूस जिंदगी में खुदा की रहमत का पैगाम लेकर आई हो।
So obviously, the most bitter thing in the lives should also be the language of communication.
भगवान ने तुमसे सुहागन का रूप छीन लिया। पोष डाल की पिंडिया, पोष डाल सिंदूर।
In the course of all societal activities, communication plays as a powerful agent of change or obstacle to change. Like fire, it has been used for the benefit of the mankind and also for the destruction of the mankind. Communication that is used for the development of mankind is termed as development communication.
पहला बच्चा होने के बाद दूसरा बच्चा 3 साल के बाद ही
To beget development, communication needs to be highly effective, target specific, and above all, intimate. Intimacy with the target audience is essential because development demands active participation of the target audience. To ensure participation of the local people, a sort of a small-scale local initiatives that involves the people concerned is essential. These small-scale local initiatives that bring oneness between the medium and the concerned people is called the alternative development communication media. This medium could be anything like literary competition for the school children in the rural area. When the photograph of a school student appears in the front page of a newspaper, it makes his or her parents rediscover their child. It inspires other children. It instills competition spirit among other students. Moreover, the newspaper becomes a friend of the whole village. A sports competition for the rural women brings so much enthusiasm that the women find new worth among themselves. The organizers becomes friend. A food processing training camp empowers women. So a new friend is discovered among the organizers. A sewing training center for the target women makes them believe that the organizers are genuine well-wishers. A picnic develops intimacy so fast that it hardly has any parallel. When people cook together, work together, and eat together, sharing the food, the oneness that develops may otherwise take months to achieve. Village Kundanpura was selected as the laboratory for the students of MSc Development Communication. Each student needed to carry out a social marketing campaign, a development project besides carrying out a research project. It started with the first program, Rural Sports for Women. The response was overwhelming and the intimacy it generated was unbelievable. Kundanpura opened its door for the students. Next target was to find a place in the heart of the village people.
जंबेश्वर विश्वविद्यालय से आए हैं। टाइम यहाँ आते नहीं है और आज हम आपको निर्मल ग्राम योजना के बारे में जानकारी देंगे।
Target was women empowerment. Programs were many. Skill upgradation programs like food processing training, candle making, ordnance dye, etc. Besides economic development programs like promoting dairy, horticulture, organic farming. Awareness programs like save electricity, toilet at home, healthy food habit, develop reading habit among women, and the tool was alternative development communication media. Principle was regular interaction with the rural women, seeking their quality participation in each and every program. All along, alternative development communication media continued as a support channel. Literary competition for the school children, GK competition, song competition, cooking competition for the village women. Once the relationship has reached a particular height, a booster dose to cement the relationship was organized. A picnic with village women. The difference between pre-survey and post-survey validated the usefulness of alternative development communication media.